With the foundation of blockchain and reaping on the advantages of decentralized finance, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with the veritable state sharding plan for down-to-earth versatility, wiping out energy and computational waste while guaranteeing circulated reasonableness through a solid verification of stake agreement system. This novel component connotes that information connected with exchanges will generally get accumulated independently and not among the other data on a similar block, subsequently working with the remarkable speed of exchanges. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020, having major areas of strength for anon security. Elrond network has worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has incredible potential and will generally be the most appealing digital currencies, basically for its local token, Egld, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed scaling, a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers authorization-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy improvement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Egld tokens as impetuses in executing savvy contract charges and move reserves. The most important elements that drive the cost of Elrond are the speed and moderateness that empower faster enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Egld, the ups and downs, the pearls and crowns. At present, the Elrond cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight transitory revision throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a circling supply of 21,694,175 Egld. A great deal can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the remedy stage, and in the span of a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparative patterns in Benz went until 2017. In December, the Egld cost shot up, trailed by a cost rectification in 2018 summers. The drowsy stage went on for the digital currency, and the option of Egld added a forward leap. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform as the Egld token was recorded on the famous tray. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts reported by the engineers through review advertisements for cash, raising the toast to a memorable $177. The coin built up some forward movement. The retreating period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a steady bullish push. In view of a legitimate calculation, Elrond has both momentary conventions and expected long-haul benefits. In light of the Elrond Egld cost expectation and our own examination, the Egld coin might reach $184.42 continuously Zen. As per the future cost expectations and Elrond estimate by Gov Capital, the Elrond Egld cost is anticipated at $870.91 toward the finish of 2022. In view of the Elrond cost figure done by Wallet Financial Backer, Egld's cost is supposed to arrive at a sign of $252.58 toward the finish of 2022, and cost is supposed to reach $612.27 following 5 years. Egld is a brave undertaking to exchange and one of the quickly developing fragments. It is a bigger number of bulls than bears. As per the forecasts, it isn't publicity that it would cross another high around the $248.49 mark by 2023, bringing about a beneficial venture. As per the Egld cost expectation, it appears Elrond money is ill-fated. Egld could exchange with a flattish cost pattern and solidify around $200 by the primary quarter of 2022. Despite the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation, this resource stayed languid to move an inch. To put it genuinely, numerous financial backers didn't have a clue about the resource even existed. Despite the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the principal 7-day stretch of April 2022. However, after that the cost again fell. In the event that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern soon. Elrond value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency market, Elrond is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting. bringing about a critical push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling $217.82, as indicated by the Egld cost expectation 2022. The normal cost is supposed to reach $205.93 and lease cost to $192.35. Elrond value expectation 2023. As per our Elrond cost expectations specialists, these elements can help this symbolic increase a lot more exorbitant cost of $248.49 and lease cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. If the drive for useful crypto market go on into 2023, the Egld cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show more development than that of Elrond cost forecast 2022. Elrond value forecast 2024. There may be slight revision saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suspicions by our Elrond Egld cost expectation specialists its base worth could reach $192.64. Most extreme cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up, making the financial backers collect the increases and make it a beneficial venture. This may be an ideal opportunity to trade Elrond. Elrond value forecast 2025. Elrond is additionally dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up the force, gathering a critical market cap, their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a greatest worth of $326.74. To realize other coin estimates, then actually take a look at our post on cost expectation for cryptographic money. Elrond value forecast 2026. On the off chance that the crypto market turn positive, the Egld cost is set to break all obstructions and perform abundantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. However, there may be slight rectification in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. As per our Elrond Egld cost expectation, supported by strong shrewd agreements, the Elrond cost may handily contact $308.52 before the year's over 2026 in the long haul. Today is a lot higher than the Elrond cost and will result as a drawn-out increment. Who are Elrond's rivals? However, numerous prestigious computerized resources from digital currency market like Tron, Phantom, Nervos, Binance Savvy Chain, D-Force, Symbol, Gravity, Waves compensate for the opposition. Egld stands apart extraordinary because of its seg would include: is Elrond rising quickly or will Elrond crash? Inferable from the exchange speed. Egld is a unique fascination for purchasers around the world. Of late, since it acknowledges charge cards as well and the confirmation goes before long, the stage has gotten momentum. Fiat clients generally need to nearly hang tight for quite a while. With Egld, all go the fast fire. How does the Elrond group really take a look at false or questionable exchanges? Fast fire exchange